How to put location on Snapchat story. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that your location of your device is turned on. Once you have enabled the location, head over to your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account. So let me take one random snap for now. Head over to any of the filter and take one snap. Once you have taken the snap, now in order to add the location, what you want to do is to swipe left or right until you end up in this interface. Once you are on this page, tap on allow. Once again tap on allow. Click on while using the app. Your location on Snapchat has been turned on. Now once again swipe left or right until you end up in this location filter. There you go, this is the location filter. Here you can see that your location has been appeared on your snap. Well, if you want to change the location, just tap on its location. In the search bar, search for the specific location that you want to add. Let me search for one random location. Once you find that location, tap on it. There you can see that the location has been appeared. You can simply place this location anywhere on the screen. Once you are done, tap on stories at the bottom and your story with the location will be successfully uploaded and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add location on your Snapchat story. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.